Langagon Satu Village is a division of Langagon Village on January 26, 2011, which is having address at Subdistrict Bolaang, Regency Bolaang Mongondo. This village is located at an altitude of approximately 9 meters above sea level. The population in Langagon Satu Village is 830 inhabitants with the area 770 hectares. The villagers Langagon Satu have one belief that is Muslim. Langagon, which means the mountain to look up, according to which people of antiquity first saw Langagon like village mountain looking up. Amazing creation of God for this Langagon Satu village by giving some potential. The beautiful natural potentials and primary school and junior high school education. Vast expanse of rice fields, cornfields, coconuts and mountains that spans the length of the village of Langagon Satu, making this village a very beautiful and comfortable place to get rid of fatigue. Trees are neatly along the road. Village Langagon Satu makes this village more beautiful. The natural beauty possessed helps people to improve their economy. Extraordinary children's passion to develop their knowledge in the field of education, but they also become one of the backbone of the family in helping to sustain the family economy, which is expected to advance this Langagon Satu.